Hello, my name is Hinal Choksi and today I'm going to talk about my favorite cheese, which is tofu. Now tofu is a non-conventional, non-dairy based cheese made from soybeans. It is a common cheese and more widely consumed in East Asian countries like Japan and China, but in recent years it has become more popular and consumed worldwide. It is a good plant-based alternative to dairy cheeses and more easier to digest. I like it because it's somewhat similar to the Indian cheese, which is paneer made from milk. I prefer tofu over paneer because it's more lighter and is more neutral in flavor. And commercially, tofu can be made from soybean or at home is made from soybeans. Firstly, the soybeans are soaked for a period of 4 to 6 hours at 32 degrees Celsius. After soaking, the skin of the beans are removed. If the manufacturer wants to make a tofu with a nice beany flavor, then the skins are kept intact, but in most cases the skin is removed to take out that bitterness and volatile beany flavor. After dehulling, the beans are crushed to form a slurry, and the finer the slurry is, the more proteins are obtained in it. After crushing, the slurry is cooked at 100 to 110 degrees Celsius for 3 to 10 minutes. This ensures that the proteins in the slurry denature and the volatile and beany components are killed. After the slurry is made, it is separated and soybean is obtained from and okara is separated. Okara is a byproduct of tofu production. The soy milk is then coagulated with enzymes. Now there are three types of coagulants commonly used in the soybean industry, which is salt, enzyme and acid. Depending on the type of tofu that is being made, enzymes can be used individually or in a combination. The most common enzymes are calcium sulfate, magnesium chloride, and calcium chloride, which provide a really nice coagulated texture to the milk. After coagulation, the tofu is pressed with a hydraulic press. Depending on the final product, which is like a soft tofu or a firm tofu or an extra firm tofu, the pressing is done. For softer tofu, lighter pressing is done, and for hard tofu, more pressing is required to remove that excess whey out of the liquid. After the pressing, the tofu is pasteurized to increase the shelf life of the product, and then it is packaged. There can also be flavor addition at this point to give you different flavors which are available in the market depending on the product that is being made. The most important quality marker for a good quality tofu is the type of soybean used. The more better and bigger soybeans used and the finer the slurry is made, the better final end product tofu is obtained. Therefore, I really like tofu, and it can be made at home with the same process, but the beans need to be soaked for a longer duration of time, since commercially you can obtain lower soaking time with higher temperature. At home, doing that might destroy the bean texture and flavor and result in an off-putting flavor of the tofu. But tofu can be easily made at home as well. I personally have never tried making it, but I would love to try making tofu at home one day. Thank you so much.